Hello, my dear students. I hope each one of you is enjoying good health. In today's video, we will learn about comprehension and summary. Comprehension means to comprehend or to understand the meaning that the given passage implies. The word comprehension actually comes from the Old French comprehension and directly from Latin term comprehensionem, which means a seizing. When you have comprehension of a subject, you seize information and incorporate it into your own knowledge. How to attempt a comprehension passage? First of all, always read the instructions very carefully. Next, read the passage during the reading time given. Read the questions based on the passage. Again, read the passage to get the necessary answers required for the given questions. Underline the keywords. Students, it is very important to manage your time here. Now let us come to the vocabulary section of our comprehension. Be very careful when you give the meaning of the word. For example, if I take the word occasionally. Occasionally means rarely. Here if I take the word rare, it would be wrong because occasionally is an adverb and rarely is also an adverb. If you write a long explanation of your word, then again you will not get marks. Do not write explanation, write the synonym. The second example is retorted, which is written in past tense. So your answer should be responded. If you write respond, it will be wrong. Be sure that the meaning you give should be in the same tense or part of speech. So if you write the word given as your answer in the passage, it should read with the same sense. Then you know that your answer is correct. Guidelines for answering comprehension questions. Try to link the question to your answer. Never provide your opinion unless specifically asked. Base your answer on facts which are given in the passage. Do not use outside knowledge. Craft your answers clearly and with perfection. Never move out from the original question. Be precise and try to write your answers in your own words. Answer in the same tense as that of the question. Avoid making grammatical errors and spelling mistakes. Avoid copying from the text if possible. Now let us come to the next part, that is summary or précis writing. What is a précis? A précis is like a miniature portrait of the passage which retains the absolute essential points that have been asked in the question. There are some good features of a good summary or précis. The first is brevity. Your précis should be brief, it should be precise and to the point. Next is clarity. Your précis must have the clarity of your thoughts. Next is completeness. The précis must have all the important information which are necessary to make it complete. Next is logical. It should be logical, it should be well knit and well connected. The next is about language. Your précis should be written in reported speech or indirect speech. There should be clear order of thoughts. The thoughts should be in clear order while you write your précis or summary. Let us see the format of the précis. The first and important thing is that your précis should not be more than 50 words. There should be a grid which has to be made using 10 lines with 5 columns. The lines and columns should be numbered. Lines as 1 to 10 and columns 1 to 5. Pick out the keywords from the passage, which should be at least 6 keywords that cover the points required in the question. One word to be written in one box. Mention the total number of words in brackets on the next line in the right hand corner of the précis grid. Students, there are some things to remember while you write your summary or précis. First is, know about the question asked and be very precise about it. Omit all the unnecessary details. Eliminate wordy expressions. Include only the relevant material. Avoid any anecdotes, dialogues, or examples in summary. Don't use outside knowledge. Stick to the word limit, that is 50 words. Do not exceed the limit. Students, here is a sample comprehension passage given to you. You can find this passage, the link to this passage in the description box. You must be observing some words which are highlighted here. So these highlighted words have been used as a keywords to write the answer of the C part, that is the summary. The question reads as, describe the tiger's activities from the time it followed the school children till it slept. So all the keywords which are highlighted here have been used in the summary part of this question. Dear students, here is an assignment for you. You read the passage very carefully and answer the questions that follow. Keep in mind all the points which we have discussed in the video. You will get the link of this passage in the description box. Read the passage very carefully. Here are the questions based on the passage. The first question is the vocabulary part. The B part is the question answers. You need to do all the questions. Be very brief and precise, as I told you. And the C part is the précis writing. You need to write the assignment in your English language notebook, or you can also do it on loose sheets. Thank you, my dear students. Keep reading, keep enjoying, and stay safe.